Hey guys, what's up? This is non-live software, and today I'll be showing you guys how to tilt the device and tell whether it's tilting left or right. And so I'll be using the accelerometer for this. And also I got a new MacBook Pro, and I'm very happy about that. It's really fast and it has like a huge screen. Okay, so let's get started. Go to Xcode, do create new Xcode project, do view based, and I'll just call this tilt. And so first, I'm going to drag in two images that I found on the internet. Okay, I'm going to go to my classes. I'm going to go to the viewcontrol.h. And after UI view controller, I'm going to do a bracket and do UI accelerometer delegate. Enter after the first curly bracket and do an IV outlet, UI image view, space star dog, semicolon, enter. Go to my .m file, and I'm going to do dash void awake from nib, and do UI accelerometer, space shared accelerometer, set update interval. Sorry, there's supposed to be two brackets right here. And then do 1.0 divided by 60.0. Bracket, semicolon, enter. Bracket, bracket, UI accelerometer, shared accelerometer, bracket, set delegate to self, bracket, semicolon, and then after the second curly bracket, enter twice and do dash void, start typing accelerometer, and then press the right key, space, bracket, and curly bracket. And inside here, I'm going to do a CG float, space star, just do CG float, and I'll just call this half, semicolon, CG float, excel, semicolon, and then I'm going to do a CG point, and then I'll call this point, PT. Okay, and so after half, I'm just going to do space equals space dog dot image dot size dot width divided by 2, and for Excel I'm going to do acceleration and then do times 3, and then for point I'm going to do space equals space dog dot center, semicolon, enter, if point dot x minus half plus excel is greater than 0, and there it is, and point dot x plus half plus excel is less than 320, I meant. Okay, so what this basically does is that it will make it so that the dog has to stay in between the bounds of the screen. And then lastly, inside the if statement, I'm going to do point dot x is equal to excel, semicolon. Okay, and then outside the if statement, I'm going to do a bracket and do dog set center colon point bracket semicolon. Okay, and then I'm going to do an if statement again and do if acceleration is less than 0. I'm going to do dog dot image space equals space bracket UI image named, and this is going to be dog left dot png, and then I'm going to do an else statement and do dog.image is equal to bracket UI image named, at parenthesis, dog write.png, bracket semicolon. Okay, so what this basically does is that, oh, sorry, this is supposed to be .x. So if the acceleration .x is less than 0, the device is tilted left, and if it's tilted right, if it's tilted more than 90 degrees, it's 0 degrees, it's tilting right. Okay. So X is when you're tilting left and right, and then Y is up and down, and then Z is when you're having it level and then just moving up and then down. Okay. So my resources, and go to viewcontrol.nib file. I'm going to do an image. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go, right there. That looks good. And for the image, I'm going to do dog left.png just to start off with. And then I'm going to connect it. And save that. Now if we build and go, I'm doing it on my device 4.0. Oh, sorry. After I forgot to do the equal sign for the Excel. Oh, and sorry. For this, it's going to be acceleration.x times 3. Okay, now it succeeds. Sorry about those mishaps. Okay, and so I'm just going to get out my photo booth. 1 second. It is. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there it is. Okay. So if I tilt, this is left for me, and this is right. So there it goes. And to make it, you can also use an NSLog for this. And what I mean by that is, I'll show you in a second. So if I just stop the tasks, you can just do an NSLog, and then do at parenthesis, and then also do left, and then NSLog at parenthesis right, semicolon. So if I build and go, you guys actually do not have to see my iPod. I'll just go to my console, and so you'll see in a second. So if I tilt right, it tells right, left, right, and etc. Okay, so that's how you tell whether your device is turned left or right. This works really well if you're using a rotation game because you don't want your character just to look like it's only going one way. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. See ya.